Here's what you need to know about what is NetFlow. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. NetFlow is a Cisco-developed protocol that collects and analyzes IP traffic flow data on a network. Instead of capturing every packet, it summarizes who talked to whom, how much data was transferred, and what ports were used. NetFlow gives network admins visibility into traffic patterns, bandwidth consumption, and potential security threats. Key concept: what is a flow? A flow is a stream of packets between a source and destination that share the same IP addresses, ports, and protocol. NetFlow tracks each flow as a single record, not individual packets. Key concept: exporter and collector. A NetFlow exporter, a router or switch, captures flow data and sends it to a NetFlow collector. The collector stores and processes the data for analysis and reporting. Key concept: bandwidth and usage analysis. NetFlow shows which users, applications, and hosts consume the most bandwidth. Admins use this to troubleshoot congestion, plan capacity, and enforce QoS policies. Key concept: security monitoring use. NetFlow can detect anomalies like port scans, data exfiltration, and DDoS attacks. Unusual traffic volumes or unexpected connections stand out in flow analysis. Let's look at the full breakdown. NetFlow v5, fixed 7-tuple record format. IPv4 only. Most widely supported version. NetFlow v9, template-based flexible format. Supports IPv4 and IPv6, foundation for IPFix standard. IPFix, open IETF standard based on v9. Vendor-neutral flow export, supported by most modern devices. Here's a real-world example. A network admin notices the internet link is saturated every afternoon. Using NetFlow data from the border router, they identify a single workstation uploading 2 GB of data daily to an unknown cloud service. Without NetFlow, finding this would require full packet capture, expensive and slow. With NetFlow, the admin spots it in minutes. Quick recap before you go. 1. NetFlow collects IP traffic flow data. Who talked to whom, how much, on what port. 2. A flow is a group of packets sharing the same source, destination, port, and protocol. 3. Routers act as exporters. A separate collector stores and analyzes the flow data. 4. Used for bandwidth monitoring, capacity planning, and security anomaly detection. 5. NetFlow, VA9, and IPFix are the modern standards. v5 is legacy but still common. That's what is NetFlow, covered. Exam tip: NetFlow =, traffic flow analysis. SNMP =, device health polling. Syslog =, event logs. Know what each one does. NetFlow is the answer when a question asks about identifying who is consuming bandwidth or detecting unusual traffic patterns. Next up, what is a network baseline? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.